Hello and welcome to this video on dream control, unlocking the secrets of lucid dreaming. In this video, we will dive into the world of lucid dreaming and learn how to take control of our dreams. A little on the background on lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming refers to the state in which a person is aware that they are dreaming while still in the dream. It was first researched by the Dutch psychologist and philosopher Frederik van Eeden in 1913, who coined the term lucid dream. Since then, numerous scientific studies have been conducted to understand the phenomenon of lucid dreaming. So how lucid dreaming works? When we sleep, our brains enter into different stages of sleep, including the rapid eye movement, REM, stage, which is when we have most of our vivid and memorable dreams. During a lucid dream, the brain is in a state similar to being awake, but with the added benefit of being able to control and manipulate the dream. What are the benefits of lucid dreaming? Lucid dreaming has been shown to have numerous benefits, including improving problem-solving skills, reducing nightmares, and enhancing creativity. It can also provide a unique opportunity to overcome phobias, face fears, and work through personal issues in a safe and controlled environment. How inducing of lucid dreams works. There are several methods for inducing lucid dreams, including reality testing, dream journaling, and using sleep aids, such as lucid dreaming supplements. One of the most effective techniques is called the WILD method, which stands for Wake-Initiated Lucid Dream. This technique involves staying awake for a period of time after falling asleep, and then consciously entering the dream state. In conclusion, lucid dreaming can be a powerful tool for personal growth and self-discovery. With the right techniques, and a little bit of practice, anyone can learn to take control of their dreams, and unlock the secrets of the unconscious mind. Thank you for watching this video on dream control, unlocking the secrets of lucid dreaming. We hope that you found this information informative and helpful. If you're interested in learning more about lucid dreaming, be sure to check out the references listed in the description below, like and subscribe. Happy dreaming!